Ready to unlock the world of crypto in Canada with Crypto.com? Let's dive in. First things first, let's get your account set up. Head over to the Crypto.com app or website and tap on sign up. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password for verification. You'll be asked to submit a governmentist ID, like your driver's license or passport. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and compliance in Canada. Once your account is verified, it's time to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. To buy crypto, you'll need to deposit funds. Crypto.com supports various deposit methods in Canada, including intra-account transfer and bank wire transfers. Simply navigate to your wallet, select deposit, choose your preferred currency, and follow the on-screen instructions. After depositing funds, you can head to the trade section, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount, and confirm your purchase. But Crypto.com is more than just trading. One of its standout features for Canadians is the Crypto.com Visa card. Once you've staked a certain amount of CRO token, you can apply for a physical or virtual card. This card allows you to spend your crypto directly, converting it to Canadian dollars at the point of sale. Plus, depending on your card tier, you can enjoy sweet perks like up to 8% cash back on eligible purchases and airport lounge access. It's the perfect way to seamlessly integrate your crypto into your everyday spending. And that's your quick guide to getting started with Crypto.com in Canada. From setting up your account and trading your favorite cryptos to spending them with the convenience of the Visa card, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crypto insights.